What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Wommack and today is December 12th. Now we have another video where I will edit one of your pictures, and I've received this amazing picture right here of Candela. Thank you so much for sending it to me on Instagram DM. Now if you guys want me to edit a picture of you, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos, because they might be about you. Now, Candela, you wanted me to create this look right here with your picture. It's that Ida Sanyesen, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, look, and it's a kind of a Polaroid vintage blurry look. To me, it really looks like she's really taken this picture with a film camera, but today I want to transform your picture into this look using only the smartphone, the free Lightroom app, and another app called Over that we use a lot on this channel right here. And this is the picture that you've sent me, and now this right here is what we're gonna create today. We can really see that kind of blurry and then high contrast, blown out shadows, grainy vintage look. And I really love the vibe, so thanks so much for sending this, for requesting this. The rest of you, I hope you like this look as well. And I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. Now, most of you guys already have the all presets pack, so you can start playing around with this new preset right now. The rest of you, I really recommend that all presets pack, because every time I create new presets, which at the moment is every day, they will automatically be updated to the all presets pack. So you just have to buy it once and get new presets every day, or at least every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Now I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing I want to do, of course, is open that picture of you, Candela. Now we have it open here. We go to lights and to curve on the upper right side, and I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So we're pulling up the shadows on the bottom left side, then creating that steep S curve to the highlights on the upper right. And once you've copied this curve exactly as it is right here, we're done. Now we want to pull down the exposure a little bit to -0.13. The contrast, we want to pull that down as well to -28. Boost up the highlights to +25. Pull down the shadows a little bit to -8. And boost up the whites all the way to +37 right here. And the blacks we want to pull down finally all the way to -57 or 56 right here. Then we go over to the colors tab, and what you want to do here is just pull down the temperature a little bit to -10. Then boost up the vibrance right here to +13. And the saturation, we want to pull that down to -36 right here. Now we scroll up and we hit the grading tab, and right here I really have to thank you, Last 0G or Last OG on YouTube, for letting me know this trick, because I always had troubles with that grading circle. Most of you probably had those troubles as well. It was really hard to hit the numbers, and you just let me know in the comment that it's so simple and easy to hit those numbers by pulling the bars. So thanks so much to you for helping out. This is what makes this community so special. Thanks so much. So we're going back in here, and now right here you can see hue and saturation. So we just want to bring the hue to around 40 for the shadows right here, and the saturation up to around 29 right here. Then we scroll over to the midtones, and here again the hue, we want to boost that up all the way to around 220 or 222, that blue area as well, and the saturation up really slightly to around 5. Then we scroll to the highlights here, boost the hue all the way up to 237 or 38, and the saturation to, in this case, 17 is perfect. And it's so simple to hit those numbers right now. So we're done here. We hit the mix, and for the red tones, what you want to do is just boost up the hue to +26, the saturation up to +37, and leave the luminance as it is. The orange tones, boost up the hue to +33, boost up the saturation to +56, and the luminance up a little bit to +14. Now the yellow tones right here, we're gonna pull down the hue to -22 right here, and saturation down as well to -54, and leave the luminance as it is. So we're done here as well. Now the effects over here, we just want to pull down the texture a little bit to -20, boost up the dehaze to +9 in this case, and then we just want to add a little bit of vignette. We want a dark vignette, so we pull that down to -13, and then of course we want grain, so we boost that up to 42 right here, and we're done with the colors. Now this is it, guys. The colors are done. Here's a little before and after. And now the last thing, the final touch that we want to do is make it look even more realistic and give it that blur, because right now it's really sharp. It's taken with a mobile phone, so we want to blur it out, make it look more Polaroid, more organic. So what we do is open this picture that we've just created. We open that up in the free Over app. Now it's also linked under this video. So we go to the Over app, open this up, hit plus down here, go to image on the upper left side. Now we choose the image that we have just created with Lightroom right here. And now we hit the check mark on the upper right side. It's imported. Now what we want to do is just hit the image, go to edit on the left, and now down here, scroll all the way over to where it says blur, that drop right here. And now we just want to pull that up a little bit. Oh, this is way too much. Maybe around here is good, around 10 in this case. Hit the check mark on the upper right side, export the picture on the upper right side as well. Save on the bottom left. And we are done. Now this is the final picture right here. Candela, I hope you're happy with this edit. I hope it came close enough to what you expected. I really like the result. Let me know what you think about this edit. And of course, also I've created a preset on this look. It's on my website. The link is under this video. It's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste. And the all presets pack is growing on a weekly, or at the moment, even daily basis. So there's new presets every day. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. You just have to buy it once and you'll get a growing preset pack. That's a great deal. It's unique. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if you want me to edit one of your pictures, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. And of course, if you have any other questions or concerns or ideas for new videos, whatever, feel free to let me know. I'm always open for conversation. Now, thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you for the support, the love on this channel. That's absolutely crazy to me. And I hope I'll see you tomorrow, same time here on this channel, where I will edit another picture of you. Thanks so much for watching. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy. Peace.